How to make money selling on Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. Step-by-step guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how each platform works, what to sell, how to find products, and step-by-step tips to start making money today. Why sell online? Selling online has never been easier, and here's why you should consider it. Huge market reach. Millions of people shop online every day. Flexible income. Work when you want, where you want. Low startup costs. No need for a physical store or big investments. Let's break down these platforms and see which one is right for you. 1. Amazon Best For. New and used items, books, electronics, and wholesale products. Why it's great. Huge customer base and the option to use FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon, where Amazon handles packing and shipping for you. 2. eBay Best For. A wide variety of items, including used, collectible, and rare products. Why it's great. Auction-style selling, flexible pricing, and global reach. 3. Etsy Best For. Handmade goods, vintage items, and unique craft supplies. Why it's great. A niche marketplace with buyers looking for creative, one-of-a-kind items. Ways to find products to sell. Thrift stores, yard sales, and estate sales are gold mines for finding low-cost items like clothes, books, vintage goods, and electronics. You can often resell these for a nice profit on eBay or Etsy. Retail arbitrage buy. Discounted products from big box stores like Walmart, Target, or clearance sections. Scan items with the Amazon Seller app to check if they're profitable for resale on Amazon. Wholesale suppliers purchase bulk products from wholesalers or sites like Alibaba, Faire, or DHgate. You get products at lower prices and sell them at retail prices on Amazon or eBay. Handmade creations. If you're crafty, make your own products to sell on Etsy. Things like jewelry, art prints, candles, or home decor. Dropshipping partner with suppliers who ship products directly to your customers. You don't need to keep inventory, making it a low-risk way to sell on eBay, Amazon, or your own website. Check out platforms like AliExpress or Oberlo for dropshipping opportunities. Step-by-step guide to get started selling on Amazon. Create a seller account at sellercentral.amazon.com. Choose between an individual account for fewer than 40 sales per month or a professional account for bulk selling. List your products with clear titles, descriptions, and high-quality photos. Decide if you'll ship items yourself, fulfilled by merchant, or use FBA, Fulfillment by Amazon. Set competitive prices and start selling. Selling on eBay, sign up at ebay.com and create a seller profile. List an item by taking clear photos and writing detailed descriptions. Choose between auction or buy it now pricing. Set shipping options. Offer free shipping to attract more buyers. Ship promptly after a sale and provide great customer service. Selling on Etsy. Create an Etsy shop at etsy.com/sell. Upload product listings with eye-catching photos, descriptions, and keywords. Set your pricing and shipping policies. Promote your shop on social media and use Etsy ads for more visibility. Engage with customers and keep your shop updated with new products. How much can you actually make? Let's break it down. Amazon sellers. Many beginners make between $500 and $2,000 a month with time and effort. Successful sellers can make $5,000 to $10,000 plus dollars per month. eBay sellers. Side hustlers often make $300 to $1,000 a month, while power sellers can earn $3,000 to $5,000 plus per month. Etsy sellers. Many Etsy shop owners earn $200 to $1,500 a month. If you sell unique or high-demand items, you can make $3,000 plus per month. Your earnings depend on what you sell, how much effort you put in, and how well you market your products. The sky's the limit. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tips on making money online. Thanks for watching, and remember, your side hustle starts today. Let's make some money together.